So the ways that you should really use Joy2Learn is to supplement your curriculum. Like, this is really the perfect tool that you can tie in directly to your standards. You can use it in front of classroom instruction, one-to-one small group, project-based learning. This is like, the project-based learning I think here is so key. Like with that Richard Serra one, for example, you can have kids working on angles, working on sort of constructing these things. Their final project can be a physical construction of a sculpture. They can do that in a group. It can be over time. And then my favorite part is the glossary. I just think it's like so important to build those vocab skills. Vocabulary is one of the biggest predictors for students' performance on literacy state test scores. So the more that we can close the word gap, the more successful we'll be in closing the achievement gap. So having that glossary there, connecting those like complex terms to a visual representation, to the art, is really helpful for kids.
Yeah, it looks pretty cute and nice.
Language arts, proportion, rate, ratio, parts of speech.
I'm going to take you on a tour of tap dancing.
That's important
Take you all the way from the origins of tap dancing.
both for us, because for me at least, the kids do not believe that, you know, it's not accessible to them. I'm like, no, it's very accessible. You just have to start somewhere.
It's so funny, I just finished teaching Antigone, so I'm so mad that I did this now because I could have utilized it a lot. But something that definitely, that in the unit that we did was we looked at characterization. So this particular video can help the student really dig deep into the character, right? And then on top of that, the performance aspect, like being able to think about what should I do when I'm on stage, right? To portray the character in the best way possible. So definitely helps the student think about that.
I use tap, hip-hop, and flamenco rhythm, because especially tap is very musical to teach Chinese grammar. I try to make it, you know, a rhythm and make them to follow me. And then at the same time, I put on my tap dancing shoe, tap the music with them.
Who used Elizabeth Murray? Did anyone use the painter?
I think it's a wonderful idea to use it because you could incorporate language development skill and speaking and listening and writing, because while they're watching the video they could turn and talk about what they learn about her. And so it will be work as a comprehension and listening and language development, so all in one.
That's perfect.
And for us, we connected it to social studies, especially since the social studies unit for third grade is past, present, future, so you can see the evolution of it throughout. Also timelines and constructing a timeline, and then also showing how in cross-curricular wise there's a process, just like the writing process. You have to brainstorm first before you get the end product.
That's perfect. I love that. Yeah.
So there could be so many possibilities you can create with these lessons that are really great for them.
And whatever you do, don't press the exit button. Please, don't press the exit button. Stick with me. You're going to like this.